Sadly, I am going tomorrow.
You already know the vibes. This is Isiama. Don't play. Don't play.
It is time to leave for the airport, so let's go for our trip and yeah, let's get our box. Arrived at the airport, so I'm just hoping my luggage is not above 15 because I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, that it's not above. But we're about pulling into the airport now, so I'm excited. So I've gotten my ticket. Just staying with my mom. I have my tickets here. So when we're boarding, we can finally go. I'm just chilling. I have time. I have like maybe 20 minutes before we finally board. So I'm just going to chill here for a bit. I'm happy that everything was seamless for me, Shaq. Exactly 15, like 15 on the dot.
If it's 15% they will leave it.
Yeah, they'll still leave it. It's when it's like 20 something here. Maybe it's 16, 17, they might still like allow. But some people, they almost have some people, they don't even have luggage. Most people are traveling, they don't travel with luggage. Some one guy, the guy in front of me brought his luggage, but they're like, it's too small, so they put it as hand luggage, told him to go. Extra it as hand. People travel light. This is actually a work vlog here at the office. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm so sick.
Somebody tell me what I'm gonna do. Miss Amanda, oh, I'm all you need. You're what I wanna be. My daddy, can't you see? I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I said, live with it, rock with it. Your finger, I can put a rock in it. Big finger, I can put a rock in it. Back out, I can put a rock in it. Say, rock with it, bounce in it. Your left wrist, I can put a house in it. You want a bed, I can put a house in it. Babe, I can put a house in it. I said, shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, 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 yeah. 5, 9, brown eyes, shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, 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 yeah. 5, 9, brown eyes, shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, 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 yeah. 5, 9, brown eyes, shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, 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 yeah.
I just realized that this vlog is going to be all over the place. I arrived on Monday. Today is Wednesday, so this is technically day 3 in Lagos, and today is our team bonding exercise. Mind you, I came here for work, so I can't really like vlog the work stuff, so this is actually like the work thing. But today is beach day and I'm going to vlog. Yesterday we had our karaoke night. I had karaoke night with like my colleagues. It was so nice. But today is beach day, so I'm going to wait for the bus to come now. I'm ready with we're wearing our branded shirts and everything. Like, it's a whole thing. But I hope to have fun. Tomorrow is my actual event, the event I came for. Then Friday, hopefully I can go and see my sister and my friends. So it's just going to be a fun thing. But like, I just wanted to chat with you guys because I know this vlog is all over the place, and yeah, please bear with me. This is actually a work trip. I've been on so many work trips. Maybe one time, another time I'll come to Lagos for just fun. But yeah, let me actually start getting my bag. Here for the event. This is my outfit for today. Very cute. So let's go for our graduation ceremony. Yeah. This is my Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. Yesterday was very crazy, actually. So I got to see my sister. I saw my sister yesterday, which was so amazing. And yeah, it has been a long trip. I'm going home tomorrow. I'm so happy. Like, I'm literally dying to go home. But I got my package, so I finally got something. But let's do an unboxing. Not an unboxing, I think I'll unbox that when I get home. But anyways, I ordered something and they gave me this bag, which I don't think I'm going to use. because that's not the reason why. And also they gave me a care kit for the camera. I got a camera. I got a camera. So they gave me a care kit. I'm not really happy about this because when I was doing my research on the DJI camera, they said that you need like a suction and some cleaning equipment, and it's really nice that they got everything in one, which is really cool. And now, guys, I got my camera. Oh my god, I can't believe I have this. Like, I literally got this for myself because this was on my vision board last year, also my vision board this year, but I was like, it's not going to get past the first quarter. I'm going to get this, and I got this March, but I had to come and pick it up because the shop I got it at was in Lagos, and I didn't want to do a delivery, and I didn't want to pay online because like I am very scared because they've changed their username like 5 times, and what about shopping online? If somebody has changed their username that much, it's a red flag. So I told my sister to pick it up for me, and she paid. And this is actually not my dream camera. I'm really getting this camera out of convenience because like it's convenient for me. I can do my vlogs, I can also do my videos, I can start editing. Like, I have to start editing on my laptop. I can give my phone a break. This phone, I can give my phone a break. And now that I'm very consistent on all my platforms, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, that's like 4 platforms, and Instagram I have 2 accounts. That's a lot on one phone, so I'm really happy this can take some load off. I'll still get my dream camera, which is the Sony ZV-E10 later on, but I really needed something now, and I'm literally so happy I could get this. Like, you guys don't understand. I'm going to be unboxing this in the next video when I get home and settle down, and we can finally start using this. I will get all my accessories from temu, of course. I've already put some things in my cart. I'm just waiting to place the order. I think I'll do that today so that I can come like next week and we can finally set this up, because one thing about this thing, they said it's really sensitive, so I don't want anything to happen to it. So I'm getting the pouch, I'm getting the screen guard, the screen protector, the magnetic mount thing, and any other thing that I need with this. Also, I need an SD card, but I'm really scared ordering SD card on Temu because most of the reviews are like, oh, it gets corrupted. So I think I'll just go to a shop and pick that up. But we have a camera. Guys, I'm literally so excited. So the plan for today, like, I have nothing planned today. I'm literally done with the work aspect of this trip, so I will just have one free day to do whatever we want. And I hit up my friend, so she's going to come and see me later in the evening. That's the sad thing about coming to Lagos during the weekday. Like, everybody's working and nobody really has time, so I'm so happy I'll get to see her later on. But what I'm going to do now is just lay down in bed, catch up on my vlogs on YouTube, watch my shows, because I've been like go throughout. Like, that was like this vlog would be choppy. But anyway, guys, I'm so happy I got this. I'm super happy. I'm so happy. So okay, I'll talk to you guys later. So
guys, I just got back from my dermatologist. Oh, sorry, what was I saying?
This actually, you know that the first time you appeared on my vlog in Abuja, it was on my first channel. This is like my second channel, so nobody knows you. So introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Isioma. Nice to meet you. We've been friends for forever. We went to school together.
Mind you, it's high school.
Yes, it's high school. And we've been friends ever since. This is gonna be my bridesmaid for 2027.
Is the one in sight? Yeah, God will do it for us.
I don't know how, but I'm going to get married this is.
I think when it gets dark, it's still bright. When it gets dark, we can go to the rooftop. We have not gone to the rooftop.
And we can go
when you're not gone to
you're ready. Yeah, I can
but
swim. So
sadly, I am going tomorrow. Don't worry, I'll come to Lagos again. I'll try and get leave so that I'll come to Lagos. I even want to go to Abuja. I was in Abuja.
You know, they've moved.
Yes.
They moved twice.
My mom told me. My mom used to talk to your mom a lot.
Yes, they moved twice. What?
Why are you being shy?
I'm shy. Don't put me on your phone.
I'm going to put you on my vlog.
This girl is forcing me